Hi, my name is Luca. I'm the co-founder of Eovolt, and today I'm gonna introduce you our latest bike, the Afternoon Pro. So the Afternoon Pro is a bike that has been designed in order to make it as easy as possible to use. So at first, I'm gonna introduce you how to fold it. So to fold the bike, you just have to pull this loop in order to fold the cockpit, the stem, and then to fold the bike itself, you pull the other loop and you fold it that way. Of course, you can get the battery and the seat tube down and fold the pedal as well, and then you have the bike in the most compact version. Then when you want to move it, you just have to pull the seat tube and you can push the bike as a carry or as a small luggage that way. Now I'm gonna show you how to unfold your bike. So the Afternoon Pro has the technology of self-locking hinges. So you just have to pull the loop like this and unfold your bicycle. And you can hear the clack of the hinges that shows you that you are secure and that you can ride your bike. It's automatically self-locked. You just have to unfold your pedals and you're ready to go. On the transmission side, the Afternoon Pro has a belt drive transmission system from Gates. So this allows you to have a very clean transmission system. So you don't have to use grease. So you don't have any worry about getting your hands dirty while you manipulate your bike or even your pants when you ride it. And it's almost maintenance free. So you don't have to do anything to maintain your transmission system. And even though it's a belt drive transmission system, we still manage to integrate two gears. So actually the gears are integrated in the rear hub motor. So we have co-developed this motor with Bafang, and it's a 250 watts motor with 45 Newton meters torque with an automatic gearbox integrated that allows you to shift on two gears and always be on the right strength. Concerning the battery, all our bikes have the battery integrated in the seat tube. So this system has three main benefits. So the first one is that whenever you want to charge your battery separately from your bike, you just have to remove the seat tube and you can charge your battery at home. Secondly, it gives this unique look to all our bikes. When you look at it for the first time, you don't even see the battery. You're not even sure it's an electric bike. And the last thing, the battery is one of the heaviest parts of the bicycle. So having it right below the user, the rider, it gives you maximum stability and maniability. On the Afternoon Pro, the seat tube battery has been completely redesigned. So let me introduce it to you. So you can still remove the battery, and the rear light is integrated right behind. And now the connector, the output connector and the wire slide inside the battery. That allows you to plug the battery and unplug it from the upper part. So whenever you want to connect the battery to your bike, there is this connector with a magnet. So it's very easy to connect and unconnect it. And also it is very secure because the new system developed with Abus, you can actually secure your battery. So you just have to turn the key as I just done. And then you can still move the battery, slide the battery up and down, for example, when you want to fold your bike, but you cannot take it out. You cannot remove it, except if you have the key. In conclusion, the Afternoon Pro has all the benefits on a normal electric bicycle. So it has fat tires that will maximize your comfort. It has hydraulic Shimano disc brake that will give you maximum security. You can even put your phone in the cockpit with an integrated system from SP Connect that allows you to use your phone as a GPS. You can put luggages at the rear and at the front of your bicycle. So it has all the benefits of a normal electric bicycle while it is a foldable bicycle.